McDonald's brings its biggest burger ever to America after a 2-year wait. After nearly 2 years of hype, McDonald's is rolling out the Big Arch nationwide, debuting its biggest burger ever. As US fans finally get a taste, the question is whether this massive new menu item lives up to the long-building excitement or proves to be too much. America may soon get a taste of McDonald's biggest burger yet. McDonald's Big Arch has been years in the making, first teased in December 2023 as its first new permanent global menu item since Chicken McNuggets in 1983. After trials in Canada in summer 2024 and rollouts across Portugal, Germany, France, and the UK, the US was notably excluded. Until now. According to Daily Mail, a January 2026 Reddit post by a US employee shared an internal document listing the Big Arch among January menu additions, alongside hot honey sauce and returning Oreo and Shamrock shakes. While McDonald's hasn't confirmed the launch, the leak has sparked speculation that the burger's US debut is imminent. How big is McDonald's? The Big Arch. McDonald's Big Arch is a major step up from the classic hamburger. While the regular burger is about 3.5 inches wide with a single quarter-pound patty and simple toppings, the Big Arch features 2 quarter-pound patties, 3 slices of white processed cheese, extra pickles, lettuce, onions, and Big Arch sauce on a larger 5-inch sesame and poppy seed bun. Weighing about 14 ounces and packing roughly 1,057 calories, it dwarfs the 3.5-ounce, 255-calorie standard hamburger, making it McDonald's biggest burger ever. Fans weigh in on McDonald's The Big Arch. Fans who've tried McDonald's Big Arch abroad say it's massive. One likened it to 2 Big Macs in one, while another called it over the top. Some weren't sold on the Big Arch sauce, preferring classic Big Mac sauce. Pricing is also a factor. In Canada, a Big Arch meal costs about $12.59 Canadian, making it a premium option that's still cheaper than many rival burgers. McDonald's CEO Chris Kempczynski described the burger as a quintessential McDonald's burger with a twist, emphasizing its blend of classic familiarity with a bigger, more indulgent build. The introduction of the Big Arch comes as part of McDonald's strategy to regain momentum after reporting its first sales decline since the COVID-19 lockdowns in 2024. Executives have noted that customers are seeking more value, prompting the chain to focus on larger, more filling items rather than endlessly tweaking existing burgers.